Easter weekend 2023, I was visiting the Didcot Railway Center in Didcot, England for the Victorian Steam days. One of the engines that was running was the 1340 Great Western Trojan. Trojan was built by Avonside Railway Company of Bristol in 1897 for the Newport Town Dock. She was purchased by the Alexandria Docks Railway in 1903. Eventually, in 1923, Trojan became part of the Great Western. Mostly it was stationed in Cardiff. The weekend I visited, it was running with a rail motor.
This one needs to have a bar up the bars. Make sure there's no clinker, bars are free. Leave a bit of a hole in the middle so she won't make steam. And a little bit of fresh in the back to make sure she doesn't go out.
The engine came to Didcot in 1968.
It's going to go cold now. When you come back to it, it'll be solid.
They're working with they've built a new boiler, and it's been in operational since 2002. A nice little 040 saddle tank engine. If you like this, consider liking and subscribing. I have more projects coming up. Thanks.